Hello students and welcome to the online platform of our school. Here is your Miss Hemlata Vaid to provide you online classes, and today I am going to discuss about plants around us. So students, we can see different kinds of plants when we go for a walk in the neighborhood. Have you noticed ever? Some plants are big while some are small. Some plants have broad leaves while some have very narrow leaves. Very narrow means very short leaves. Okay, so firstly I would show you one plant having different parts. So this is a picture of a plant, and here we have so many parts. So we already know that we have different body parts. A plant also has different parts. Okay, and each part plays an important role. So it is a plant, and what are the parts of a plant? Flower, fruit, leaf, stem, root and branch. These are the parts of a plant, and each part plays an important role. Now we will discuss about the role that each part of a plant plays. So these are leaves. Leaves of a plant make food for the whole plant. The fruits grow from flowers. Okay, the stem carries food and water to different parts of the plant. The flowers produce fruits and seeds, and the seeds. So where are seeds seen? When we cut the fruit, we will get seed from inside the fruit. We will get seeds inside the fruit. So the seeds grow into new plants. The roots hold the plant firmly. Means the roots, these are the roots, they grow below the ground, and the roots hold the plant very strongly. The plant firmly means strongly to the ground. They also absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Nutrients means here very important things that a plant needs. Okay, so what is the function of the roots? The roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. They also absorb water and nutrients from the soil. So students, you have to learn the names of the different or various parts of a plant and what are their roles. So now we will discuss about different types of plants. Number 1 is trees, number 2 shrubs, number 3 herbs, number 4 climbers, and the last one is creepers. So very big plants are called trees. Trees are supported by one thick stem called the trunk. So it is a tree. It is a very big plant and it is supported by one thick stem. So as you have noticed that this is stem and it is very strong and thick. So in case of trees, the stem is very strong and thick. They also may have branches, more than one branch. So neem, peepal, banyan, mango and coconut are some of the common trees found in India. Shrubs. Some plants are small and bushy. So, okay, shrubs are smaller than trees. Small and bushy, like jungli. They have woody stems and they have strong stems also. Such plants are called shrubs, like rose, hibiscus, henna or mehendi, lemon, tulsi, they all are shrubs. Herbs. Some small plants have soft green stems. They are called herbs. So there are some plants that are small in size, much small, and they have soft and green stems. Okay, so soft. In case of trees and shrubs, we knew that they have very thick stems, but in case of herbs, they have a soft stem. Okay, so they are called herbs. For example, tomato, cabbage, coriander, mint and grass. Okay, climbers. Some plants have very weak stems. They use other plants, rocks, walls for support when they grow. Okay, they have weak stems because as they have weak stems, they cannot stand upright on their own. So they need support. Okay, for example, rocks, walls, sticks or other plants when they grow. Such plants are called climbers, like grape, bougainvillea and pea. Some more examples are bottle gourd, bitter gourd. Okay, creepers. Some plants with weak stems grow along the ground. So there are some plants with weak stems. So in case of climbers, we knew that they have weak stems, very weak stems, and in case of creeper also they have weak stems. And creepers, they crawl along the ground. They grow along the ground. They are called creepers. For example, pumpkin, bottle gourd, watermelon, money plant, strawberry, they all are creepers. Students, the example bottle gourd for climbers and the example bottle gourd for creepers. Both answers are right. Okay. We have already discussed the parts of a plant, right? Now we will move to the page number 62. So plants make their own food. And which part of a plant make the food? Leaves make the food for the whole plant. So green plants make their own food in their leaves using sunlight, air and water. So green plants, the plants which are green in color, okay, they make their food in their leaves. Leaves are the, leaves are the food factory or the kitchen of a plant. You may say leaves are the kitchen of a plant, right? Because they make food for the whole plant. And green plants make food in their leaves using sunlight, air and water. So these three things are very necessary for a plant to make the food. Sunlight, air and water. They make food during the day. So we get sunlight during the day only. So it is very possible that they will make food during the day. So the process by which green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. It is a very big word and it is very tough also, but you have to learn what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. The process by which green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Okay. Uses of plants. We get many useful things from plants, right? We get so many useful things from plants. Like food, we eat different parts of a plant. We get fruits, vegetables and cereals from plants. We get coffee, tea, sugar, oil and spices too. We eat the seeds of rice, maize and pea plant. We eat fruits such as apple and mango. We eat the leaves of spinach and mint. We eat the stems of sugarcane and lotus plants. We eat the stems, okay? We eat the roots of carrot and turnip. So we eat the roots of carrot and turnip. The part that we eat, it is carrot. It is root of a carrot, okay? So ginger and potato are stems. Do you know? They are stems that we eat. These stems are very special because they grow underground. As we know that stems grow above the ground and roots grow below the ground. But in case of ginger and potato, the stems are very special because they grow underground and we eat stems of ginger and potato. Okay? Medicines. Parts of plants such as neem, clove and tulsi are used to make different kinds of medicines. So they are very useful to us because we make so many medicines from the parts of a plant. Like the parts of a plant such as neem, clove and tulsi are used to make different kinds of medicines. The bark of the cinchona tree is used to make quinine, a medicine that treats the disease malaria, right? So the bark of the cinchona tree is used to make quinine or quinine. Both pronunciation is correct. Quinine or quinine, a medicine that treats the disease malaria. Okay, to cure the disease malaria. Fiber. Cotton and jute are two fibers that we get from plants. Cotton is spun to make cotton cloth. We get cotton from cotton plant, right? So we use jute to make clothes, ropes and bags. Wood. Plants give us wood. As plants give us wood that we use to make furniture, doors and windows for our houses. Some people also use wood as fuel, okay, to burn, okay. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. They keep the air clean, so we should plant more and more trees, okay, because they keep the air clean and they provide us oxygen to breathe. Without oxygen we cannot live, you know. We need oxygen and only plants give us oxygen to breathe. If we start cutting the trees, very big trees, then what will happen? There will be a lack of oxygen in the air, then we will suffer. We will have so many problems. So we should not cut trees, plants. Instead, we should plant so many trees. Big trees give us shade on a hot day, on hot summer day. Birds and some animals live in trees. Animals also get their food from plants, right? We must protect our plants as they are very useful to us. They keep our surrounding clean and green. So this is all about this lesson. So students, till we meet in the next class, you all will read this text very nicely. Okay? Thank you.